Thanks for coming by again. We're going to talk today a little bit about hormone replacement for men. The situation for men is kind of different because there isn't a sudden drop off of hormones as there is with women. Hormones are there one day and not the next. In men, it's gradual. So after the age of about 40, the testosterone level, which is the male hormone, tends to go down about 1% per year. So men don't usually notice what's happening, that the hormones are low, but there are symptoms that occur with that. So there's a reduction in energy, there's a change in mood, there's a loss of libido, and some guys also tend to get a little bit depressed or a little bit anxious. And that is part of the decline of testosterone in men. The main way of providing testosterone was with these pellets. So you put in some lidocaine like the dentist does, you numb the area, wait a couple of minutes, and you can insert the pellets just underneath the skin in the fatty layer of buttock. So that's a procedure that takes less than 5 minutes. And the testosterone pellets are there and they will put out hormones for the next 4 months or so. Some items about this is that hormone replacement with testosterone does not cause prostate cancer. There's a big study that was produced years ago on 20,000 men that showed no increase in the risk of prostate cancer in men taking testosterone. There have been other studies showing that if the testosterone level is really low, meaning the man is depleted, the risk of progression of prostate cancer is greater. By the way, we also have a video of Dr. Wittenberg, one of the physicians here who does a lot of work with hormone pellet placement. And you can watch on our social media main page, seeing her put pellets into somebody. And it's a very simple procedure. It's very reassuring to watch it and see like there's very little to this. Remember, we're at the Institute for Progressive Medicine in Irvine, California, and our phone number is 949-600-5100. We'd love to see you. Come on in.